Today, we're going to add an astronaut voice effect to your audio.
Giving it a cool outer space vibe. Let's get started.
First, add your video or audio clip to the timeline. If your video has audio, tap on the video clip and choose Extract Audio to separate the audio from the video. This makes it easier to apply effects to the audio. Now, tap on the audio layer and scroll through the toolbar to find voice effects. From the available voice effects, select the astronaut option.
InShot will immediately apply the astronaut effect, transforming your voice into a spacey sound that feels like you're talking from outer space.
If you want to adjust how it sounds, you can tweak the intensity or any other settings. Once you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've now added an astronaut voice effect to your audio in just a few simple steps. It's a fun way to add a unique twist to your videos. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.